Hey guys, welcome back to another video with REALME Reviews. So in today's video, we'll be checking out a huge box sent over by Realme. It is this huge and it says there, leap to next gen. Alright, so Realme is launching a lot of new AIOT products, and basically that means a lot of tech products here. So I'm super excited to share with you what came in this box. Of course, apart from that, there is also my favorite item in there, the smartwatch, the latest smartwatch from Realme. So without further ado, let's check out all the cool stuff sent over by Realme and unbox each and every one of the items. Let's go! Alright guys, so we're going to start with the unboxing by just popping off the lid first and oops. Alright guys, so let's start off with the unboxing by popping the lid and seeing what's inside. So here it says, yo, congrats for being the first in Malaysia to experience another Dare to Leap journey. Alright, let's leap together. And here we can see that in the box, we already have a lot of items here waiting for me to unbox. So let me just try and attempt to open this with one hand. I think it should go this way. So let me just unbox it right there. Yep, you might have seen another hand in there, but no worries. Yeah, here we do have the whole range of cool products that Realme is launching. Starts off with the Realme Smart Camera 360. Looks pretty cute here. Of course, this is the smart wearable, the Realme Watch S. Very excited to unbox this and really test this out because this is the latest and best Realme smartwatch to date. Moving on, we also have the Realme Buzz Air Pro. So this is going to provide you some pretty decent audio quality. Moving on down the range, we do also have another Realme Box Wireless Pro. Alright, so this looks more like for the sporty kind of person if you're going on for your runs. This looks like the perfect earphones for you to use. Last but not least, Realme is taking care of your oral hygiene. This is the N1 Sonic Electric Toothbrush. Looks pretty cool. Very interesting design here. I've not really used electric toothbrushes, but this should provide some smart care for you. And yeah, I do see something here. It's time to check out their latest products. Catch them on their live stream 3 December, 12 p.m. Alright, let's start off with the unboxing and just take a look at all these products. Alright guys, so we're going to unbox everything in its sequence. So we're going to start off first with the Realme Smart Cam here. I think I kind of dropped this box earlier on, so it sounds a bit shaky on the inside. But just a couple of specs here. It's a 1080p, 360 degrees panoramic vision, voice feedback, infrared at night. Yep, seems like a pretty decent camera. Let me just pop this open so I can show you how it looks like. Ooh, this looks like a cute guy. So it looks like a mini robot. Yeah, very cool stuff right here. Okay, let's move on to the next product for now. Put this here for a minute. Alright, so moving on, let's check out the Realme Watch S. So like I said, this is the main one that I'm really looking forward to. So I'm going to unbox this very quickly. Try and get this out. But oh, before I do that, let me just check out the stats. We have a 1.3-inch display, heart rate monitor, SpO2 readings, 16 sport modes, a long battery life, I don't know how many days, and of course water resistance. So you can bring this to swim, I suppose. Yeah, more info on that will come in my full review. But let's unbox this guy first and see how the watch looks like. So let's try and get this open. And whoa, this looks really good, guys. Not sure if you can see it very clearly in the camera. Let me just try and zoom in. So we have a round circular face here with a couple of dials on the top. Looks like a really nice watch here. I'm going to remove it for a moment. Okay, so this is how the Realme watch looks like. And on first impressions, it feels a bit lightweight, which is actually perfect because you're going to have this watch on your wrist for most of the days. So you don't want it to be very heavy and uncomfortable. Also, the rubber bands here, the silicone straps feels really nicely built, very high quality, quite thick right here. And it comes with these latches at the back here so you can swap out the straps for other straps. But yeah, this is how the watch looks like. I'll definitely be doing this full review in a complete separate video to test out this watch and share with you guys on whether this is a good watch instead. Alright, so the next item on the list is this Realme Box Air Pro. I know my table is very messy right now. Let me just put that aside and unbox this for you guys to see. So, the Realme Box Air Pro. It has, oh wow, this has ANC, active noise cancellation. It also has a super low latency. So Realme is definitely aiming this at the gamers. 24 hours of playback, a 10mm bass boost driver. So you should have some pretty good audio quality here. Yeah, I'll definitely be trying this out as well. But for now, I'm just going to unbox this and show you guys how it actually looks like. So very quickly, let's get this open as well. Okay, sometimes we long for the silent world in order to hear the truth. Interesting words there. And let's remove this for a second. And there you have it. Again, very cute form factor from Realme. Let me try and tear this open. Okay, so this is very shiny. Looks pretty good. The latch feels actually quite nice. Definitely very addictive to open and close like this. But yeah, so this is how the buds looks like. And let me just remove this so you can see it clearer. This is the Realme Buzz Air Pro that you get in the box. So alright, move on to the next item. Let's put it down for a second. Alright, so the fourth item that we're going to unbox is this Realme Buzz Wireless Pro. Looks really cool in this huge box here. At the bottom here, it says a high-res audio, so expect to have some pretty good audio coming from this guy. Let me just unbox this very quickly as well. So let me try and just cut it open. And we should see it fairly quickly. Alright, so it says here again ANC. It does comes with ANC. Very good. Apart from that, we also have a Sony LDAC high-res audio, 22 hours of playback, magnetic instant connect, and a couple more stuff that you can see on the screen right here. So let's open this up and check it out. Alright, this is fairly easy to open. And wow, again, very nice colors here, the black and yellow for Realme's color. But yeah, I'm not going to take this off, but this is essentially how it looks like. Maybe I'll just take it off because it already has a tab right here. So yeah, let's see how this looks like. And whew, looks pretty cool again. Let's try out this magnetic stuff. Sticks pretty well. Feels very nicely built actually. I love this, the smoothness of this rubber right here. But definitely have to try it out myself to see how well it performs. We have a couple of volume buttons here, so you should be able to answer calls on this device right here. Very cool, very nice, very nice. I'm very happy with these wireless earbuds right here. Alright, and last but not least, let's unbox this toothbrush right here. I've never actually unboxed a toothbrush on Lim Reviews, so this is going to be interesting. But yeah, I guess Lim Reviews is unboxing toothbrushes now. So let's check out what comes in this box right here. It's already making a lot of noise. I guess the toothbrush wants to get out of this box right here. Alright guys, so this is the Sonic Electric toothbrush that is being sold by Realme. Looks really small here. I'm not too sure about using this kind of toothbrush, but seems like it charges up over USB Type-C, so that's a good thing. Let me just give you a clearer view. This is literally Lim Reviews doing a toothbrush unboxing. Alright guys, I think that's pretty much it for this video. Let me just bring that watch back because that is my favorite item. Out of everything that I just unboxed, the watch is definitely my favorite. So if you guys want to see like a full review of this smartwatch, don't forget to stay subscribed. Like this video if you like it. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Massive thank you to Realme for sending this in once again. And yeah, stay safe everybody. Bye!